صباح الخير. هنتكلم النهارده عن mediastinal biopsy. Development of endoscopic ultrasound with FNA technique has proved to be of great value for gastroenterologists and other branches. US fine needle نفسه هو تكنيك سيف وبيخليني اخد تيشو اكوزيشن كويس من اماكن كتير زي الريتروبريتونيوم بانكرياس وميدياستاينال. ده فيديو بسيط بيورينا ازاي ال FNA US بنشتغل بيه. Once we introduce the echo endoscope inside the stomach and we find the lesion, we begin to introduce the fine needle inside the EUS. This is parts of the EUS fine needle, the handle, the shaft with the knob to close the needle before introduction in the lesion. And then we reach the sheath, which includes the needle inside. This is one of the needles that are used, the straight needle, the hook needle. So we introduce it in the echo endoscope and we are sure that it is well applied before taking the fine needle. Then we move the lock to reach a certain size when we are near the lesion. Then we begin to remove the stylet slowly. After that, we begin to move the fine needle itself and we apply the negative pressure for cytology, for fine needle aspiration. Removing then the fine needle after we end taking the fine needle aspirate. This is the part of the needle that is introduced inside the lesion after introduction of it in the lesion. There are different types for fine needle. There is fine needle aspiration biopsy with its different parts. We use this especially when we need to do histoimmunochemistry for the lesions we are taking biopsy from. And the other type is the fine needle aspiration with the known sizes 19, 22, and 25 gauge needles. These are straight fine needles. This is how we do in mediastinal lymph node, and we are doing fine needle aspiration. We here can realize that we are doing two things. First of all, that we are taking multiple fine needle aspirates. Then we do the fanning technique by moving the needle to and fro and in different positions, different directions to reach a large amount of the cells and to be sure that we have reached most of the lesion that we are in. حاجة تانية هنلاحظها إن إحنا هناخد من أول ليجن ومن آخره عشان على قد ما نقدر نبقى واخدين معانا كمية فور سايتولوجي. وبنكرر العملية دي على الأقل 20 times to reach the maximum cells that we can take. Few tips and tricks for the fine needle in the mediastinum. 22 gauge is the most used needle. Use 25 in the case of presence of collaterals or bezels. The lesion should be close to the transducer, and we all should apply the power doppler to avoid any injury of nearby vessels. And thank you.